Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be cleaning the Honda. First of all, we need to clear out this bucket because we were sanding down the door and needed it for something. And then we've got the power washer there and stuff like that. Let's start by power washing it off with the new sound with the attachments with the snow foam in it. I think I need to fill that up, to be fair. So today we're going to be cleaning the Civic, as I said. I'm going to be using the aqua wax because we need it done quickly today. It's covering the whole camera. That was good. We're going to use the snow foam as well. Yeah, get all that done, and I think we got a air freshener as well to use as well. We've got the snow foam ready, the water for the power washer, and the mitt. Time to clean the old Civic-y boy. Alright, so we removed the nozzle for it to connect with that one there. It is ready now. Took a lot of work to figure out, but that is how it is. So should we give it a go? This is the Civic beforehand. As you can see, all the bird turd and stuff. To give it clean, I might have to restore these wing mirror caps. So I might have to respray and get them sorted. As you can see, it's real dusty. Bird turd everywhere, another wing mirror cap I'm going to have to sort out. Snow foam at home, boys. First snow foam is done. Now we shall rinse it off and rub it in. Now I've worked in the snow foam into the car, I shall be rinsing it off. I've even decided to clean the front of the house. Now we just need to power wash this off, boys, and then we can put the aqua wax on it and then see how it looks after, because we've done after we've done the washing it off, we'll get the aqua wax on it from Autoglym, and then we'll see how the ceramic coat's held up. But as I said, we need to do these wing mirrors because they are flaking and not very nice, and Mrs. Cabbage has said to do them. All rinsed off now. I'm going to let it dry. I'm going to dry it off now. All rinsed off now. I'm going to get the drying rag, give it a dry off, and then aqua wax it. Right, boys, we've got the drying towel ready. So we're going to go dry the Honda now. Alright guys, that's the drying towel done. As you can see, it's come up pretty nice. I've got this little crack to sort out. It's like a hairline looking thing. I don't know if I can get away with some... I don't know, I'll probably have to filler it and see how it comes up. Once it dries, I'll see how it looks. Yeah. So I'll figure out the best way of a plan of attack to get that sorted. Better be a video coming up. At the same time, I'll sort these wing mirrors out. As you can see, they are worn down over time. Look at that. Just noticed that one. Don't know what she's been hitting. Something hard, obviously. The other wing mirror up. Alright guys, time to use the aqua wax to get this old sparkling thing. Alright guys, that is the aqua wax done. Looks alright, to be fair. I know it was only a quick wax, but it works pretty well. I have noticed some more scratch and scuff marks, so I'm going to have to get the cut and compound and try and work them out over the Christmas period when I've got some time. But for a quick little detail, that's not come out too bad, to be fair. I think the ceramic coats worked really well. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember guys, if Cabbage can, you can too.